Hi, this is Roshali and you're watching Rishiraz Classes YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to deal with a very interesting and important concept. The concept which is important for almost all the scholarship exams and competitive exams. So what is this concept? As I said, it's quite interesting concept. Now suppose if one day and date is given to you. Now for example, on 24th November, on 24th November, it's Thursday. So what is going to be the day on 31st December of this same year? Or on so and so date, it's Tuesday. So what was the day on the same date in previous year? Isn't it quite interesting concept? So how to solve such problems in minimum time by easiest method. So this I am going to explain you in this video with few examples. So to understand this concept properly, how to solve, how to get the correct day for that particular date, watch this video till end. Yes, if you want to understand any concept properly, never leave any video in between. Watch till end, because whatever examples we explain, all the examples are different, and when you watch all the examples properly, then and only then you will understand that concept properly. So now without wasting time, let's start with the first example of how to solve such type of problems. Yes, because this can be explained only with the help of example. So first example. Now suppose on 24th November, it's Thursday. So what is going to be the day on 31st December of this same year? Now let's take example on 24th November of this same year, that is 2022. It's Thursday. So what is going to be the day on 31st December 2022? Here what we have to do. First of all, November. November is the month with 30 days. So first 30 minus 24 gives us 6. Now till 31st December, immediately after November we have December month and we have to find the day of 31st December. So of this December month, add 31 to this. 31 plus 6, 37. Now whatever total we get here, we have to divide it by 7. Why? Because there are 7 days in a week. So this 37 divide by 7. 7 5s are 35. Remainder is 2. Now remainder is 2. Now here, as the date is the next date, means it's going to come, the future date. So here what we have to do, whatever is our remainder, start counting the day after this. Now it's Thursday on 24th November. So 2. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So 2 we have. After Thursday, we have to go 2 days. Friday, Saturday. So on 31st December, it's going to be Saturday. You can check in your calendar whether it's Saturday on 31st December or no. So this is how we have to find. Let's check one more example. As I said, watch all the examples, whatever I am going to explain in this video, if you want to understand this concept perfectly. Then and only then you will be able to solve the problems based on such concept in no time. Yes, means within minimum time, in less time. So let's check second example. Second example here. On 10th October 2022, it's Monday. Okay, it's Monday on 10th October 2022. So what is going to be the day on 10th February 2023? So what is going to be the day on 10th February of next year, that is of 2023? So now what we have to do? 10th October it is. October is the month of 31 days. So first of all, 31 minus 10, 21, October. Then next November, 30 days. December, 31 days. We have to count the number of days till 10th February. December 2022. Then next January 2023. January 31 days and February 10. Let's add this. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Total is 123. Now what we have to do? Divide this 123 by 7. Let's divide this 123 by 7. 123 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. Let us take this 3 down. 7 sevens are 49. 53 minus 49 is 4. Now what we have? 4. Remainder is 4. Now once we get this remainder, what we have to do? Now as this date is future date, okay, means it's going to come. So 4 days we have to go ahead of this Monday. 4. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it's going to be Friday on 10th February 2023. Even this you can check in the calendar in your mobile. So on 10th February 2023, it's going to be Friday. Now suppose if we have to find the day of the previous date. Okay, this was how to find the day of the future date. Now suppose the date is of the past. Now suppose today is 24th November. Then what was the day on 15th August? What was the day on 1st January? So let us see how to find out the day of previous date. Now let's solve this example. On 24th November 2022, it's Thursday. Okay, it's Thursday. So what was the day on 15th August 2022? Okay, what was the day? Okay, now first what we have to do here? Let us find the total number of days from 15th August to 24th November. August. August is the month of 31 days. So 31 minus 15. 31 minus 15 is 16. August. Then next September month, 30 days. October month, 31 days. And November, 24 days. Because they have given the day of 24th November. Add this. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Total is 101. 101. Now even this we have to divide by 7 and get the remainder. Let's divide this 101 by 7. 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7, 3. Let's take this one down. 7 fours are 28. 31 minus 28 is 3. Now this is previous date. Okay, this is previous date. So here what we have to do, 3. Remainder is 3. So as this is previous date, we have to count the day backwards. Means now it is Thursday. Go 3 days before Thursday. Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So on 15th August 2022, the day was Monday. Check it in your calendar. Once you understand this concept properly, perfectly, you can solve any type of sum. Now let's check one last example. As I said, don't quit this video in between. Watch all the examples properly. Let's move to the fourth and last example. Fourth example, on 20th August 2022, it was Saturday. So what was the day on 31st December 2021? Let's solve this last example and check. What we have to do first, count the total number of days between these two dates. 31st December, December month is of 31 days, 31 minus 31 is 0. So let's add the days from January. January, 31 days. February, 28 days. March, 31. April, 30. May, 31. June, 30. July, 31. August, 20, because it is still 20th August. Now what we have to do, total of this. Now here I would like to tell you one important point. Now whenever February month comes in between, okay, whenever February month comes in between, you have to check the year. If it's leap year, don't forget to take 29 days for the month of February. So whenever you come across February month in between in this calculation, don't forget to take number of days as 29. So whenever you come across such type of problems, don't ignore the leap years. Means whenever they give year, please check whether it's leap year or no. And if it's leap year, whether February month is coming in between or no. Or just if February comes, then and only then check whether it's leap year or no. That's it. It's enough. For all other months, there is no need to worry. So let's find total of this. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 11, 12. 3 plus 2, 5. 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 22, 23. It's 232. Now let's divide this 232 by 7. 232 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. 23 minus 21, 2. Let's take this 2 down. 7 3s are again 21. It's 1. Now remainder is only 1. So what we have to do here? Just go one day in the backward direction, means backside of Saturday. So which day comes just before Saturday? It's Friday. So the day on 31st December 2021 was Friday. So this is how you have to solve these type of problems. Now here while explaining, we took a lot of time. Means we wrote the month, everything, days and all, everything properly. But when you solve your paper of competitive exam, each and every second is important. Yes, each and every second is important. And while solving, you have to check how to save your time, or how can you solve maximum number of sums in that less time. So there you can just write a number of days, add it, divide it in shortcut method. Yes. So here we wrote January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, everything we wrote. You can skip that. So while solving, just write the number of days, add it, divide it in a shortcut way, find the remainder and get the answer. See, there are many tips and tricks which you have to follow while solving your competitive exam paper. Yes, there is a list of tips and tricks when you face competitive exam. All such tips and tricks I will explain, okay, we will be discussing in my upcoming video. So, to get the update of such important and useful videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel and please do share this important concept, this easiest way of solving this to your friends. Means, do share this video among your friends. My dear students, thank you so much for watching this video.